Well, good morning. Saturday already. It's July 29th, 2023. Got a little bit of a cool morning. I mean, comparatively speaking, it's in the mid 70s. I'm sure it's going to get at least 10 degrees warmer. It's starting to get humid as that sun is coming up. Oh, did I say it's about 8 a.m.? Yeah. So I just came back from Walmart. I was looking for some hair things, didn't find them, got some toothpaste instead. But it was a real thrill because in the parking lot was a white ibis. I don't know, this thing, it was probably about this tall, and it was just walking along there. You know, it has a long bill. I posted a little video of it on my Facebook page. I was so surprised, although early in the morning at Walmart's, it's a good place to see birds of all kinds and some unusual ones. I've seen other birds there that were, you don't normally see just out and about or in your backyard. So that was really fun. Well, I actually left before I had breakfast and coffee, so now I'm back home. Gonna make some, one of my favorite colors, Odacio. Okay, and since it's a bird morning, I use my red-bellied woodpecker cup. Okay, so this is a 7.77 ounce cup that it makes. This capsule makes 7.77 ounces. I've got a couple of ounces, waiting for it to warm up, couple of ounces, there we go, of warm almond milk in there, 30 calorie per cup almond milk. So I'm looking forward to having that. This morning I'm going to have some cereal. I've got some of that, it's like a protein cereal with fruit, and I mixed it up with a bunch of Cheerios that I had. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm looking forward to my coffee. I think I'll sit and watch some birds while I eat breakfast and drink my coffee. What are you going to do today? Hey, let me know if you've seen any unusual birds. And, well, I'll wait till this finishes and give it a taste, okay? Let's see, here we've got a spoon, a napkin. I'm all prepared this morning. Okay, should be done in just a minute. I love my woodpecker cup. My brother sent me that as a surprise gift. That was so nice. Well, anyway, should I start talking about other stuff? Why not? So, I went over to a friend's house yesterday, and I posted pictures on my Facebook page, and she tried some hairstyles for me, like taking it and giving a little twist and putting in, those little, what are they, like claw combs, I don't know what you call them. It goes like this, and it holds your hair. And they had little sparklies on them. Ooh, I love that. So I've been to 3 stores already and haven't been able to find any of those. Seems like the, neon butterflies, yeah. But I couldn't find any with sparklies. So I'm going to go to Claire's this morning because I'm sure that they'll have that kind of stuff there. So, see, this makes a very nice crema on the top, and even thicker because I extracted it into the milk. So, alrighty, give this a taste. Oh, I didn't realize. Here it says red-bellied woodpecker. It's got some pine cones and pine trees, and then there's the woodpecker. Wow, this is really yummy. I'm gonna go enjoy it. I hope you enjoy your day. I'll talk to you later.